In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a metric in Klaviyo. Navigating through digital marketing tools can seem daunting at first, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we're delving into Klaviyo, a powerful marketing platform that allows you to leverage your data for personalized marketing. One of the key features of Klaviyo is its ability to track specific actions your customers take, known as metrics. Metrics can be anything from opening an email to purchasing a product. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create your own custom metric in Klaviyo, empowering you to make data-driven decisions for your business. First things first, you need to log into your Klaviyo account. Head over to the Klaviyo website and you'll see the login page. It's a straightforward process. Just enter your email and password. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the login button to access your Klaviyo dashboard. This is where all your data comes alive through analytics, campaign performance, and more. Once you're successfully logged in, your next step is to navigate to the metrics section of your dashboard. On the left hand side, or sometimes at the top, depending on any updates to the layout, you'll find the metrics button. Clicking this will take you to a page displaying all the metrics you're currently tracking. Now you're ready to create your own custom metric. Look for a button or a link that says Create Custom Metric. It's usually located at the top right corner of the metrics page. Clicking on this will take you to a new page, specifically for setting up new metrics. On this new page, you'll be prompted to choose the method of aggregation for your metric. The term might sound technical, but it's simply the way Klaviyo will summarize your data. Click on Choose the method of aggregation, and several options will drop down. For beginners and most general uses, the count aggregation is the most straightforward and universally applicable option. It means that Klaviyo will count each time the event happens, so go ahead and click on Count. Finally, you will be at the step where it all comes together. After selecting your aggregation method, you'll see the Create Metric button. This is your cue to give your new metric a name that clearly describes what you're tracking. Try to be as specific and descriptive as possible. A well-named metric ensures that when you look back at your data or share it with your team, everyone will easily understand what it represents. After naming your metric, go ahead and click on Create Metric, and just like that, you've created your very first custom metric in Klaviyo. This new metric will now be available in your metrics list, ready to start gathering data. You can use this data to segment your contacts, trigger automated flows, or analyze trends over time. So let's recap quickly. You logged into Klaviyo, navigated to the metrics page, decided to create a custom metric, chose an aggregation method, named your metric, and then you created it. Simple, right? Remember, creating custom metrics is just the beginning. Klaviyo offers a wealth of resources and tools to help you harness the power of your data. Experiment with different types of metrics to see what insights you can uncover, and always keep your business goals in mind. Each metric you track should offer you a clear path to understanding your customers' behavior better and optimizing your marketing strategies accordingly. That's all for today's tutorial on how to create a metric in Klaviyo. I hope you found this guide helpful. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketing professional, or still learning the ropes, mastering Klaviyo can significantly boost your marketing efforts. So, go ahead, dive into your data, and start making those data-driven decisions that will propel your business forward. If you've got any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.